Today we're talking about exponential notation. This is actually our first unit. When I say exponent, you may think of something on the lines of this. Our exponent would be the n, and our base would be the x. The n here, the variable, is our, you guessed it, exponent. When we're talking about exponents, if I have, let's put numbers in it now, if I have 6 to the third power, that actually equals 6 times 6 times 6. So class, if I have 7 to the fourth power, what do you think that's going to equal, following our pattern from above? You guessed it, 7 times 7 times 7 times 7. So next what we're going to do is we're going to go over multiplying same base exponents. I'm going to solve a problem and I want you guys to guess, what am I doing with those exponents? I'm going to do a second one and I want you to guess, what pattern do you see? That's going to equal 8 to the 13th power. You may see a pattern here with our exponents. 10 and 3, I get 13. 3 and 2, I get 5. So what I want you to do is tell me the answer to the problem I'm about to write. If you guessed 9 to the 6th power, you already got it. So in our law of exponents, we add these two numbers when we multiply. So x to the m, we're using variables again, times x to the n is going to equal. This is the formula we use. Okay class, now that you've had time to practice multiplying same base exponents, we're going to talk about what happens when we divide same base exponents. So I'm going to solve two problems, and again, the same thing. I want you to think in your head, what pattern do you see? X to the 10th power divided by, and that might look like a fraction, but that is a division sign, divided by x to the fourth power. That's going to equal x to the 6th power. Look at those numbers and how do you think I got 6? How about you try to solve this one on your own? If you guessed x to the fourth power, you now know that when we divide exponents, we're actually getting smaller. So in our law of exponents, it tells us that x to the m over x to the n, that's going to equal x m minus n. Now you might be wondering, why does this rule work? Again, 6 to the third power, that actually equals 6 times 6 times 6. If I want to multiply 6 to the third power with 6 to the fourth power, well, what does 6 to the fourth power equal? Yes, 6 times itself 4 times. Well, now if I want to do 6 to the fourth power times 6 to the third power, I'm just adding all of these 6's. So I have 4 6's plus 3 6's. I now have 7 6's.